Hey everyone! I want to show you how easy it is to create interactive maps using Visme. If you're someone who presents data that's tied to locations like sales regions, travel routes, or population stats, interactive maps are a game changer. In the Data tab in Visme, click Maps where you can find a range of customizable maps. Select the map you wish to use to open the map editing window. You can adjust or change to countries or regions. When you find the map you need, click Edit this map to customize your map in map settings with color, border, and how you want your values or captions to be shown when the map is hovered on. You can also create an area value map or heat map to better visualize the numerical data of different areas and regions on your map and activate the legend of your map if you wish. The Map Data tab is where you will add any data you want to include in your map, including numerical or text. You can update the names of the columns, add or delete columns, update colors, and you have the option to display or not display certain areas of the map by selecting the eye icon. So instead of showing flat, static maps, Visme helps you create a map that your audience can explore. You can include your interactive maps within your published Visme projects, embedded on a web page, or through Visme's HTML5 export. Try it on your next project and watch the impact.